Hello YouTube, I am Joe. So what do you get when you mount a few nuts of your favorite hardware sizes to the end of a piece of metal with some really crummy welds? What could that possibly do for you? Well, seeing as though you've asked, if you had a horizontal bandsaw and you could clamp this in the vise of the horizontal bandsaw and you wanted to shorten up some hardware, you put a chase nut on, you insert it through your favorite nut size for the hardware you want to cut, tighten down the nut, tighten down your vise on your horizontal saw, and drop the blade right onto the whatever length you need to cut off. And when you loosen this nut, it's self-chasing. So now automatically, there's nothing left to do but run the hardware on and use it for whatever you wanted to use. If you so desire, you can go over to the grinder at this point and deal with it after it's cut off, but you don't need to. Would it look better? Probably. Do you have time? Maybe not. That's the part that I wanted. I had a lot of them to do, and it didn't matter what the end looked like. So said object was born. Are there better ways today? Absolutely. But some of you have welders out there. A lot of you have horizontal band saws. If you mess with hardware, this is a really fast way to do this. You throw this underneath the saw, you leave your chase nut sit there for the next time. It's always ready to go. It is the fastest way you can cut a bolt off, period, and still use it without it being ruined. Maybe a cut-off saw could do it, but it's really going to damage the end bad. So this is just something to think about. You guys let me know what you think. Take care. 2 minutes, I'll go for that.